Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace a camera glass on your Moto X4. As you can see on right here, you'll just need to use some heat gun or just the blower just to heat it up a little bit, the glass. Don't use it too much because you can melt your camera inside because it's plastic inside and your piece is pretty much glass. Just give it a little bit of heat so it'll come off much easier than you'll just do it like that. You can do it without heat gun, but it'll be a little bit harder. So let's start with heat gun just a little bit. Okay, that should be enough. Don't use it too much, and then you can use this tweezers pretty much, or a piece of knife or something just to get started on one of the sides. And so you start pulling one side, as you can see right here, and then you can go all the way around. If you need to use some more heat, just use it. Feel free to. I just pull on the side. It's got some adhesive, so it's pretty easy to remove it. Make sure you clean the leftover glass inside of the camera before you install a new one. So I'm just gonna turn around because there's a couple pieces left inside. And now we can install the new camera. Do a couple dabs, just a little bit, not a lot. So that should be enough. Now just really easy. Make sure you clean the piece of glass and everything is clean before you install it. Okay, here it is. Everything has been installed. Looks like new. Thanks for watching and bye bye.